deal, guys? It's Mr. Legit. Welcome back to the channel. Today we got a pretty cool episode. We're gonna do What's the Deal Wednesday, and it's Wednesday, so what's the deal? Every Wednesday, what I'm gonna be doing is just kind of going over the prior week, everything that happened about me and my work. It could be personal related or just a topic that I want to talk about. It's kind of a good opportunity for me just to vent to you guys, and I want to thank each and every one of you guys for following me and for subscribing to the channel. So I want to give a shout out to a couple of my friends. One of my friends, his name is Bronston. Actually, he works for me, and he's the one who puts all these videos together. If you guys haven't known, I don't do all the editing. Can I edit? A little bit, but not like him. He's a magician at it. His YouTube channel is Guerrilla Media Tactics. It's a new channel, so go check it out. I'll leave a link in the description. I also want to give a shout out to my buddy Patrick. He actually used to work here, but you know, he had a split and he makes some music. So go check out him. He's the Beat Pusher. So the Beat Pushers and Guerrilla Media Tactics, go check them out. That being said, let's go ahead and talk about the elephant in the room, man. We got Dimitri over at Riven Insights and Zach's at Zach of All Trades. Oh man, it's just been so entertaining for me, and I thought that you guys were close to a sparring match or a little. Actually, it would have been a MMA match, but now as far as all the drama and stuff, like I don't know about all that. You know, calling each other out. I'm not gonna be calling nobody out unless you call me out first. But other than that, I'll keep it pretty civil with anybody. And I do understand though, like Dimitri feels, for me, if you're watching it, man, you look kind of I don't know, almost like intimidated a little bit, even though I know your insights and you're saying everything. But see, I don't know who started this. Was it Zach or was it Dimitri? And it's been really entertaining either way. I think that I take my hat off to both you guys. I think that you guys are definitely the best in the industry on YouTube, you know, for sure. But I think, I don't know who started it, but either way, it looks like it was squashed. So enough about that, because I'm not a drama queen. Who gives a shit? I just wanted to see a good fight. So I'm gonna go ahead and read some comments to you guys, because I've been getting more and more comments. Thanks a lot. I think I have pushing 500 subscribers. So we got 494, see that? So, oh, I'm not sure if that's coming in there, all right, but 494. And so hopefully this video will make it above 500, which I'm sure it will. We've been gaining, you know, pretty slow. It's like a ramp going up. So thanks a lot for subscribing. And it seems like there's about 100 of you guys that are actually tuning into the channel. But if you guys notice, I haven't put any new content about really what the channel is all about, is roofing. So I apologize about that, but I've been really busy in the getting all these guys back from COVID, and I do have one coming out on Friday, so stay tuned for that. But let's go ahead and read some of these comments. So Tyler Sarkinen, how many nails were in those anchor points? Not enough, buddy. It looks like they weren't enough, and honestly, when I'm shooting these videos, I'm not up there. I'm not the best safety guy, because honestly, when I roofed, I didn't wear a harness. I didn't wear rope and harness, which we should have, but I didn't. I mean, if we were on a new construction job, we wore the rope and harness. But I didn't have a project manager or a safety guy at the company that I was at that was breathing down our throats. Do I think we should? Absolutely. And so it's kind of me, you know. But hey, thanks a lot for the comment. I'll make sure that they put more nails in those next time. Thomas Velasquez, what's the deal? Go Lakers. Go Lakers? Come on, man. I wish I had my Portland hat. I know you guys see me wearing a Seattle hat, but I'm actually from Portland, and I like the Blazers. I'm a Blazer fan. All right, RVH MON. I don't know how to say it. RVH Vaughn. What's the deal? Love it, except I'm near the other Vancouver in Canada. We're on the West Coast. Here on the wet coast. He didn't call it the West Coast. I like that. That's pretty slick, man. What, the wet coast? I actually did some Navy homes for roofing. I moved up there. I had my daughter up there when I was about 26 years old, and we did a bunch of the on Oak Harbor, Washington, on Whidbey Island. We did a bunch of the Navy housing for roofing. There was just probably like 8. We were doing about 8 roofs a week, and there's actually a cool little ferry that you could take up there, and you could see Vancouver. So you could see. I know if there's a little spot on the peninsula there where you could see America, USA, right? What else do we have? A bunch of what's the deal? Everyone's trying to win that damn cooler. I don't blame you guys. It's pretty dope. Baltazar Gasper. This guy, man, listen to this. It's so true, man. Thanks a lot for this comment. But LOL, Roofing Insight would have an opinion on the way you open them bundles. I see a lot of installers doing what you did. It's fast and easy, but guys that don't install will see it wrong, and you're absolutely right about that. I always open the bundles like that. I always bend them. It's just faster. So Zach, man, you took the brunt of it, but really I open it like that. And GAF, and I watched the video that you put out, Dimitri, if you're watching it, and you said that you can't bend it like for the GAF, which is I think it's a little bit crazy. I think that I would like to see what a GAF rep or an Owens Corning rep. Well, I actually, one of my friends is the Owens Corning Platinum rep here in the Portland area, and I don't really think he would mind too much if we open up bundles like that. But I want to see how you want us to open up bundles. All right, Patriot Acres in Texas. Looks legit to me. I saw your comment on another video and thought I'd give your channel a like. New subscriber. Hello from Texas. T. Haas, what's in the building? Howdy, partner. What's you like that one? Yeah. All right, let's see here. We have Nick Vosberg. Love the intro. You know what the deal is, man. Thanks a lot. You obviously know what the deal is, man. And thanks a lot for the intro. We actually had some fun in Bronson at GMT. We say GMT, right? I can say GMT. That's fine. All right, yeah. So GMT is looking right at me. GMT, Guerrilla Media Tactics. If you guys haven't checked it out, go check it out. He's got some pretty cool stuff on how to create videos and all that. Life's Apprentice, did you change your channel's name? I feel it's different. Yes, man, I changed the name. I had Mr. Legit, and I just felt like it was really broad, and I just kind of wanted to zone into, you know, just kind of the roofing, the roofing aspect of it. So I just put Roofing Expert. I just can't wait for this channel to take off a little bit and use my expertise a little bit more. RIP your finger. Yep, that hurt, man. Jaggi Singh. I'm sorry, I can't pronounce. I'm not the best pronouncer of last names, but which app do you use to measure a roof of the pitch? Or which app you use to measure roof pitch? Man, pitch gauge. But there's a lot of comments on here. I don't have time for them all today, and I know I don't want to bore you guys too much. You guys have a good week, and I'll see you guys next Wednesday on Hump Day on What's the Deal Wednesday. Peace.